Hey, one more quick follow-up to this video where I explained some of the Deluxe architecture. Real quick, I wanted to go over the design file and some of what you might see as an end user. So this is one interpretation of what the market would look like. The market would be a place where you may buy an NFT at auction or just for a certain price. Um, you can also look at the decentralized exchange, buy and sell different bids and asks, see hopefully the chart, um, Steam and SBD. Should be utilizing that same interface to interact with the Steam market, the Steam DEX that currently exchanges Steam for SBD. So there should be a three-way exchange. Deluxe to Steam and SBD, Steam to Deluxe and SBD, and SBD to Steam and Deluxe. Um, Apps are much like we currently have at Dlux IO right now, where you can go into the Doom Gallery, for instance, or peruse the Deluxe Highway, some augmented reality XR, whatever web apps are here. Hopefully, this is more or less like a free app store that you can use your Steam keys for. Anything that's not an app can be here, utilizing Steam to showcase, blog posts. A smart contract system will have NFTs. So here we have tokens again, some transaction histories. The NFTs should have the ability to have equity in items, so issuing um, other kinds of tokens inside of tokens. So there's not anything here currently, but eventually that's the idea. Items, some of those things could be like, who knows, but you should be able to sell and transfer these things, place them in an auction, delete them possibly. Quests. We can do quests with items, say like geocaching, location-based experience, customer engagement, um, experiences. Yeah, but you can use them as real quests, real payouts, all trusted and whatnot. Futures would be something like mm, anything that has like an expiration point where maybe like a contract is expiring and pays out. Maybe it's like a will or a dead man switch, but something that requires action in the future. Tools that you may have are like steam power, delegation, resource credits. Make some XR like we have pay NFT maker or wiki. So we actually have a wiki that explains how to make XR. Very cool stuff there. So you can just go to GitHub and Dlux.io. Sorry. Boom. And here you go. Start building anything. Um, anything. So we have an XR kit in here with web IDEs, setup, publish DApps, VR, AR. You saw here where we have like ways to put Gatsby, which is a static site generator, into IPFS, uh, relative linking, whatnot. Just all kinds of great stuff. Other stuff I talk about in the node architecture video. We can also have like settings here where you can send custom JSONs and whatnot. VR controllers, who knows? But hopefully all just run by the community with NFTs that necessarily could have like, I want to have this feature, community funds the NFT, and then that makes a bounty that people can then submit and say, hey, I solved this problem. Who wants to vote on this and say I did it? You know, um, build a machine that makes better machines. That's the goal here. All right, so that's another short look at where we're at. All right, so I'll upload this as well. Take care, guys.